Chillcat Gaming. Hello, Trisha K. Manahan. Chillcat Gaming from Amplify. Trisha K, what's up? Chillcat Gaming.
Thank you so much sa shoutout, Boss A. Hi, I'm Trisha K. Manahan, aka Chillcat. I'm 25 years old and I'm from Imus, Cavite. My Facebook page is Chillcat Gaming and I'm a streamer since August 2020. I'm also an accountant as for my day job. I'm proud to introduce myself that I'm an Amplify talent of Tier 1 Entertainment. I'm also a KOL streamer of Mobile Legends. Yes, I have a huge passion not only for gaming but also for cosplaying. I'm a gamer at heart ever since nung bata pa ako. I used to play on PS2, PSP, and nung nagka-PC, I played Latte, an RPG game, and even tried Dota with my friends. Kahit sa mall, arcades ang pinupuntahan ko just to play. Now I have my Nintendo Switch and Xbox 360. For mobile games naman, I used to play COC nung college, and now I'm really into Mobile Legends. My passion for gaming, streaming, and cosplaying led me to my ultimate dream, which is to become a Tier 1 talent. I wanted to become the next Tier 1 trainee because aside from pursuing my passion, I always dream of being mentored by the best people in the gaming industry, which I know halos lahat nasa Tier 1 Entertainment. If given the chance, I'm willing to dedicate myself, work hard, play hard, and to give my best shot if yung chance na yun ay makapasok sa gaming house. I know I should be part of gaming house because I wanted to show to everyone who I am, what I can offer, and also to discover my maximum potential. I'm up for all challenges that gaming house can offer, especially to become a better content creator, streamer, and gamer. It would also be an honor to meet and even live with my fellow content creator who dream as big as I am. Gusto ko rin mapakita sa lahat ng manonood yung concept from Kong TV na hilahan pataas. Yung dream ko to become a Tier 1 talent would not exist if it's not for my favorite idol, Boss A. Boss A inspired me to do what I'm doing today and to embrace who I really am, that being different is okay as long as you're not hurting anyone. Now I can finally say that I'm ready to learn, improve, and do everything it takes to be like Boss A, which is to be #truly top tier. Kaya sana, #ako na to.